Hello guys, this is Masi Ahmadi from Bridge Studio. In this tutorial we are going to make our render alive. This render is one of our products which you can buy on Blender Kit and later in ArtStation. I will put the link below. Let's get started. To do that, choose your photo, come to filter, choose camera raw filter, and there are some effects that you can make your render alive with them, like in effects you can increase the texture parameters. Just look at the texture here, see, and let's increase the clarity, which helps us a lot. And you can change the highlights parameters here like that. You can increase it a little and decrease the lag and increase the white, and that's it. As you can see, there are too much difference between these two, and it's a simple and easy way to make your renders alive. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing our channel. See you later.